Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A savings account currently holds $45. The goal is to have more than $120 saved before making a purchase. Write and solve an inequality to find the minimum additional amount D in dollars that must be saved. Graph the solution and interpret it in context. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Let D represent the additional dollars that need to be saved. The account already has $45, so the total after saving D more is 45 plus D. Because the goal is to have more than $120, we write the inequality, 45 plus D is greater than 120. To isolate D, subtract 45 from both sides of the inequality. 45 minus 45 cancels on the left, and 120 minus 45 equals 75 on the right. This gives us D is greater than 75. Here is the number line graph. We place an open circle at 75 because 75 itself is not included. The inequality is strictly greater than. The shaded arrow extends to the right from 75, indicating that D can be any value greater than 75. Let's interpret the answer in real-world terms. Saving more than $75 added to the 45 already saved will push the total above $120. If you save exactly $75, the total is exactly $120, which does not meet the more than $120 requirement. So 75 is excluded, shown by the open circle on the graph. Any amount strictly greater than $75 satisfies the goal. Let's verify with test values. Plugging in D equals 80, 45 plus 80 equals 125, which is greater than 120. This works. Plugging in D equals 75 plus 75 equals exactly 120, which is not greater than 120. This fails, confirming 75 is excluded. Plugging in D equals 60, 45 plus 60 equals 105, which is also not greater than 120. This fails too. All three checks confirm that D greater than 75 is the correct solution. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.